Kaseng Kongres kebadan hakaliang persya apok ying darbar thoan hakakat khandai tarik ujeliau kalaong kajing temu ke sorkar jela ban burie pa umdan kajing ti to pat kajing shalan yu dewïong lapau pat ba pat lingba ki jingja ki basngosi na kajing yap jong ki nong ti dewïong hapok ki krem dewïong ha East Giant Hills habakran chekilat patai kubor hadien balawai kajing yelang jong Congress Legislature Party kapla pelong hapok MLA hostel Unong yelam ka CLP Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong wadhaba ki persyang ban buri hendai ki jing shisha ki pau kumta ban lap ki jing shisha halor ka jing don ki kam beaiñ Donkam ban tohkit ki kynhun ki laitluid ki bor ki ban sha pan yat aka sarkar jela.
That is one part. They have always been trying to have a immediate denial strategy on any instance of alleged illegality in respect of illegal coal mining and illegal transportation. Prompt denial mode. That is one of the modus operandi that they have transcribed. I have said that. They continue to do so because they have scripted it so well, they can't deviate from there also. Okay, like if you have been tutored the dialogue to go up to the stage in a drama and speak, you have to speak the same dialogue. You see, that's why I'm saying it's a well scripted. It's more like a drama. Whatever they are saying is like a drama. It has been well scripted. They can't speak other than that. They will confine in that only. Because their priority is something else. And to camouflage those priorities, which is against the interests of the people and the state, they have to continue speaking what has been already formatted in their whole transcripted version of the modus operandi. This is one, which you know. Today you talk to the South Garo Hills DC, South Garo Hills SP, and OC of Nongal Bibra, and ask them how many trucks are loading coal there to be transported through Gaswapara Land Customs Station. Just ring them up and I'm telling you, I have all the photographs with me now. This is what is happening when we are focused on fighting against this pandemic. They are focused somewhere else. I'm sorry. Not to enrich the state, but to enrich somebody against the interests of the people, against the interests of the state. The photographs which I have is all with coordinates, with GPS, taken at certain locations in Garo Hills, to be exported through Land Customs Station, Gaswapara, where the notification comes that this consignment is coming from outside the state, not from South Garo Hills. This is another modus operandi. They cannot deviate from this scripted modus operandi because it has been well scripted modus operandi. You have to go and find out. And that's why I'm saying, unless there is an independent inquiry by an outside agency which is not under the control of the state government, this truth cannot be uncovered and the perpetrators brought to book. They will all go scot-free unless there is an independent inquiry. And unless that is done, it will remain as a precedence. I have written a letter to the authorities. I have flagged those copies to even the Chief Justice of the Honorable High Court, also to the NGT, including the Honorable Lok Ayukta. Now I have got some inputs after the issue was taken up by the Lok Ayukta. I have asked my legal team to get it further examined and further proceed on this front. And I'm telling you that the circumstantial evidences are so much that it will not be difficult to prove beyond reasonable doubt the complete uncontrolled continuity of illegal mining and illegal activities which revolves around illegal mining of coal. When there is an illegal mining, there are many other illegal activities which are resorted to. Like I am saying, that somebody has to find out how to take out the coal from the area of mine. Where do they take it out? Is there buyer in Meghalaya? Except few industries, except the cement industries and few other factories which consume coal for their captive requirement. It goes outside the state, across the international border or across the international state. So therefore, the dimension of illegalities involved in this illegal mining goes beyond the boundaries of the state. That is the reason why it is, by common sense, beyond the purview of the state agencies to engage in any kind of investigation and find the truth. Simple. They have to find out, okay, if these are the coal, where has it gone? Who are the consumers? Who are the middlemen? Who are the facilitators? Who are enriching themselves at the cost of the state exchequer? You look at Jain Hills. Jain Hills Autonomous District Council finding it difficult to fulfill their obligation because of the constraint of revenues and resources. Look at District Council Garo Hills. Where is the revenue going to come from? The resources going to come from for the ADCs? You heard Chief Minister saying, oh, no, the district councils are autonomous, so it's not our responsibility. You read chapter 13 of the 6th schedule, para 13 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution. The honors of responsibility of autonomous district councils are not vested only with the district council. It is vested with the state government also. It is vested with the union government also. Yes. You cannot just shrug off and say, no, it's not my job. Let them read the relevant para. I have specified the para also. And there are many other preceding paras which will again corroborate. And you have to interpret by integrating the interpretation of those respective paras, not any para in isolation. So that's why I'm saying, if their priorities are the people and the state, their version of any message that is being passed on through the distinguished members of the fourth estate will be different. But they want to hide. They want to completely stonewall any chances of finding out the truth. That's why they don't want to tell you what is the truth. They will not tell you what is the truth. So the only way to find the truth is to have an independent inquiry, nothing else.